So the first report I wanted to show you is the test coverage report. So here you can define the scope. So I want to explore the final status. Maybe I want to group it by priority. And then you go ahead and choose your projects. You go ahead and you generate a report. And here now you have visibility into your coverage. So this is grouped, like I said, by priority. And for example, you can see that just by looking at this, you still have some tests failing. You can see where they are. And this report just gives you a very powerful overview of your coverage. So you can see that you still have high priority tests that are actually failing. So this will give you an idea that maybe we need to look into this. We need to look into where these failings are happening. There's some bugs that still need to be resolved. And maybe we're not ready to make a full release comfortably yet.